Here's how you can fix the fingerprint sensor on your Android. Let me talk about it and let's get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So the most important part would be to clean your finger as well as the sensor, right? So you want to make sure that you wipe it gently. Just find it wherever it happens to be on your phone. In my case, it is part of the home button. I mean, the power button on the other side of the device, right? So it is right there. So I just want to make sure there isn't anything stuck on it or any dirt or anything like that. And that is something which would hopefully make it a little bit more responsive and actually more usable, right? But then you can go to your settings app, find the security and privacy, and at the top I have the lock screen which I can proceed, and there is the fingerprints section. So once I authenticate myself with the passcode, I can get inside and manage the stuff right here. So I have the ability to check my added fingerprints to make sure that I'm actually using the one which I have set up, right? So for example, I have one which is called fingerprint 1, and if I click on check added fingerprints, put my finger on the power button, it is telling me that it is in fact the fingerprint 1, right? So that's the important part, but I can add more if I would want it to. So I can add another fingerprint if like that, right? So I can continue with it no problem, and actually even add more just in case one doesn't work. I can always add another one, right? And then we also have the fingerprint unlock, which works for the lock screen and getting inside through your finger. But we also have the fingerprint always on, and this is something which you can enable or disable. It basically means that you can see that even if your screen is black and nothing is showing up on the screen, you can place your finger on the reader and it will read it automatically without you having to light up the screen. And this is the setting for it, right? Some people don't want to just tap on the screen to make it light up and then scan it. Some people just want to place the finger there even while the screen is black and immediately get inside, and you usually have that option as well. So let me know if you found what you needed and if you actually fixed your fingerprint sensor. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.